With quality of products, processes and practices being integral to the current business world, a system to solidify this level of quality is one of the best ways to maintain it. Created by the International Standards Office, or ISO for short, standards are given numbers to set out which standard it is, such as ISO 9000 and ISO 9001, with ISO 9000 being a family of standards and the ISO 9001 being a standard within this family, with both of these regarding quality management systems. These standards both allow businesses that are accredited with these standards to benefit from a certificate of quality assurance processes and receive certain benefits from this as a result, which we may mention later in the video. But why are these standards so important?
Quality audit is the process of systematic examination of a quality system, often carried out by internal or external quality advisors comprising of an audit team with specification. It is an important part of an organisation's quality management system and a key element in the ISO quality system standard. Businesses must be able to fall in line with guidances from the ISO, along with passing these quality audits to obtain certifications from these organisations. The quality audits differ substantially when coming to specialised industries such as airline, oil and extraction, agriculture and medical fields. Specifically medical fields, for example, having the ISO 13485 to have conformed to rather than the ISO 9000 series. These specialist auditors play a vital role in these sectors, as the businesses have much higher stakes due to their specialised natures and require much more on-hand expertise to deal with quality audited in line with their system regulations.
The importance of quality standards. The first factor is that it ensures firms are reaching the minimum requirements to ensure quality control is in their processes, as many firms are not doing this as of currently. The second factor of the importance of it is it allows businesses to be able to deliver high quality products that consumers may want and reduces the risk of returning products that no businesses like. And the third factor is that quality standards reduce the risk of defective and potentially harmful products being delivered to consumers, but also reduces the likelihood of corner cutting in any processes.
Overall, the importance of quality standards is extremely vital to a business and its success. These help companies reap better profits and reduce their losses, as well as making them stand out above their competitors. It grants them further potential for profit and customer loyalty. As well, alongside this, it delivers safety and ensures that the promises and strategies used by businesses are effective to their fullest degree.
As well as this, ISOs serve as the base standards for firms to adhere to, and when they're clearly defined, it makes it easier for firms to meet the customer's idea of quality. It also allows the firm to know how they can improve and shows what they should be working towards. Additionally, international quality standards bridge the gap between businesses, such as suppliers and the businesses they supply, and it allows them to have a mutual understanding of the quality of their trade and enables stronger communication, subsequently improves their relationship. And lastly, some industries make accreditation a requirement due to the nature of their business. This is industries such as energy management and healthcare, as there is a need for quality in these industries. Now we have looked at the importance of quality standards for a business, we should shift our focus to the perceived benefits a business may gain. This could be in terms of the financial side, with possible competitive advantages for the business, but also the consumer perception of the brand and the products that the business may be offering to them. Here is the view of Christian Strake on the perceived benefits of quality standards, as he categorises them into 7 main benefits through his grid. They include factors such as increased competitiveness of businesses, as accreditation may allow businesses to set a benchmark for the level of quality amongst their goods and processes throughout their industry. As well as this, another main benefit mentioned could be that of the perceived image and reputation of the business, as if this business has a higher perceived level of quality due to their accreditation, this may allow their overall image to be perceived as a higher quality too. Finally, there is a factor of continuous improvement cycle, which Strake himself argues could be the most significant benefit. This is because accreditation may allow businesses to develop a culture of Kaizen, which is the Japanese term for continuous improvement, which can in turn lead to a number of other benefits as well, such as higher levels of efficiency and lower overall cost levels. However, with this being said, the potential downsides of quality standards must also be considered. This is likely to be a costly process for the businesses in terms of training of employees throughout the process and at the start, but also the possible implementation of changes in business processes in order to become accredited needing to be considered. As just mentioned, there are high levels of cost attached to accreditation. It doesn't actually ensure that businesses implement procedures that need to be done. Is it a pursuit of quality or a pursuit of certification? And some argue that the processes are way too complex and puts off businesses from trying to get accredited. With all this being said, the longevity of these quality standards can be brought into question. Does the fact that businesses can cheat and not implement procedures undermine the whole aspect of becoming accredited? With the ever-changing nature of the business world, will there always be a necessity for industries to become accredited or have a level of standard? Or will there be no need for it at all? In short, there is a need for sure, as consumers are likely to buy products with a higher perceived level of quality. But also industries such as energy management of ISO 50001 will always have a level of quality needed due to the move towards renewable energy.